today I'm gonna show you one node from this installation designer panel. So at the left bottommost we have a node direct editor. I want to just give a detail of this node, like how we can use this node and why it is advanced. So basically this is the bible of the install sheet. I mean to say, every detail, whether that detail is editable or not, everything is available inside this direct editor node as in the form of tables. So you can see that there are lots of tables from top to bottom, right? And let me to start few of them. So this is summary information. Summary information means you can see the title or the subject, author, everything, template, last author, install sheet, right? And are you getting some clue by seeing this detail? I think you are getting. So let me come to the relevant page. So these things are available in the general information tab, right? So these are the values. Let's say I just change the value author Rahul and come back to this direct table. Summary, then my author is Rahul, right? I can change the same thing here, Rahul Ayush, right? I can see the effect of this here, Rahul Ayush, right? Now come to this custom action and expand this action text here. For the advertise, the description is advertising application, right? And let's say you want to change the, okay, you can change it right from here. So whatever thing you can change from here, everything also can be changed from the direct table as well. So the summary information refers to this general information detail. Action text refer to that action which I have shown you earlier. Right now, admin execute sequence, you can see this is available in this custom action here, user interface and execute. So basically every detail whatever we have seen in this install sheet, every detail is available in these things. So you can just explore every node and try to link the information being shown to the another particular node of this, right? So admin UI sequence, this is also relevant to the custom action sequence. Advertisement execute sequence is also relevant to the custom action sequence. Oh, I should not do it there. Advertise UI sequence is also relevant to this custom action. App ID is not here configured, right? App search is not configured here. App search means this system search, right? System search. BV control means the control, which is, so this is not here, right? I don't know. Binary means the binary files, right? I don't know, but I think this is the binary files. Binary files are added, I think, through this billboards or from the support file, right? Now come to this bind my image to no CCP search, no checkbox. So basically whatever checkbox are available can be used here. Now class, combo box, comp locator, comp plus, component. So every component which is available in this component node are being listed here. Conditions means, I don't know, sorry, control means whatever or whichever control instances are available in this dialogues, on all the dialogues available in the dialog node are listed here, right? So whatever thing you have to change, like dialog name, control and whatever, you can change it here. Now control condition, So every condition you write for any control are listed here. Control event, every event you configure for the control are listed here. Create folder, nothing here. Custom actions, so whatever custom actions you configure here in the custom action and sequence node, those all are listed here, right? Now dialogues, every dialogue which is listed here in dialog nodes is available here. Now directory, directory means any folder which you are configure. So by default lots of directories are provided by Installsheeld. One of them is install dir, target dir, and sometimes it is there is also support dir. So basically support dir is specifically support files. Now dir locator, so this is the directory locator, and I don't know what is this. So duplicate file, maybe environment variable. Error, so it is error messages strings. So whatever error you see, those are from comes from this place, right? And event mapping, so event mapping means how you map the events in the dialogues, right? So this is mapping. Extension means I don't know, leave it. Features, so all every feature you listed here in the features box, features node are available here, right? Feature components, so mapping between component and features. File means every file you have added as a key file, right? So this is available as a key file. File sfp catalog, I don't know. Font, every font available used, no, there is no any font. Icon file, whatever icon file you have used, like you have added icon file for shortcuts, you have an icon file for your in general, for your application you have an icon file either in about configuration or release. So those are all available here, right? Now come to this init file. Init file you configured from this ini file changes, so you can see those files here. Now come to this ini locator. So your locator means you can locate those files. Install execute sequence, so basically in custom action sequences there is install execute and sequences available. Install execute and sequence, right? So basically these things this, so basically these things are listed here. Installshield, I don't know what is that, you can understand. Now install UI sequence, which is already available in the custom actions and sequences. Is assistant tag, so this is also I don't know, leave it. Is build word, so build word means the value comes from this node. Is chain package, so chain packaging comes from the release nodes, as I can guess. Chain package means chain MSI packages, right? So this comes from this. Now come to this. Is chain package, that is the same for the chain package. Is CLR rep, I don't know. Is com catalog attribute, don't know. This don't know. Com catalog dot com plus C, everything I don't know, leave it. Is dependency, is dim dependencies, so there are dim files, like you can add dim files through dim references, which is available in the organization node, right? So you can see the data of the dim references in these 2 3 4 days, whatever it is. So all the dim specified disk file, leave it. Del wrapper, leave it. ISD RMF file attribute, I don't know these things. Is dynamic file, I do. So dynamic file means you have a dynamic file through in the components, right? So all the dynamic file will be available here. And is feature DMI reference, I don't know. It's from the DMI reference, I think. Is feature DMI is no. Is feature merge module excludes, no. This also no. And come to the I don't know what is it. It's local. If you have configured the merge module from redistributable nodes, then those will be available in the merge module node. Now come to this is merge module CFL, same from redistributable. Now is network shares, maybe from that way, I don't know. Is object property, isolate component, is patch confer, I don't know what that. So just skipping those things. Is release, so release names are here, right? release aspect variation. So release release property, release public function, this schedule task. So basically schedule task is specific to this schedule task node available, right? Now is script file, I don't know, scripts, it should be from the either install script or from the custom also can say, right? Now come to this search replace, I don't know what is there. Oh, search replace means this is specific to the text file changes, right? Now search replace set is also from that place. Is self reg, I don't know, SQL connection is setup file, setup prerequisite. Setup file comes from this release, setup prerequisite comes from this place, release distributor, maybe SQL connection or SQL connection release server. These all SQL specific things come from this node SQL scripts. And I'm just coming to the is upgrade virtual package. I don't know these things, right? XML, I don't know. So basically if you add an XML file, then you will be seeing this list box, log permission, I don't know, media, MIME, move file, main, MSI assembly, MSI name, get certificate, right, embedded over. So basically I have shown you one more thing, launch condition. I have already given a demo. Demo title is like how to configure the condition which will prompt which will be checked while installation, and we will get a message if that condition is not true. So what condition can be configured through this launch condition. Now come to this so ODBC attributes, ODBC things can be configured in these tables, patches, property table, basically. Okay, registry, whatever you have added in the registry, which is here in the registry, that will be able to, that can be seen from this place, right? And now registry locator, so you can locate the registry from here. Registry locator means you will be adding a system search. Remove file, remove in file, remove registry. And now reserve cost, self-reg, service control, service install, SP. Here a lot of shortcuts shortcut node, right? Now signature, I don't know signature, oh, down. So basically signature, this is the text style for the dialogues. Text sleeve, no, UI text for the dialogues. Upgrade, okay, what? So basically this table is specific to the all the data available in the install sheet, whether you have configured the data or this comes already from the install sheet. So by this table, if you see any kind of text or thing or property or value in install sheet which cannot be edited from any other place, just come to this table and try to search that value or field, then try to edit that value. You will be able to change the value. I will give you a very simple example. I will just go to dialog, and for the dialog let me come to this admin change folder, right? I will just click on this. I can see that this dialog has one more thing I need to configure is that this dialog says that the title is IDS product name install shield, right? Admin change dialog. I will be changing the title of this dialog from this one to someone else. Admin change folder. Coming to this directory dialog, admin change folder, right? Admin change folder is this, and it says that the name, I think there's no name, right? No name available. So what I will be doing is that I will be changing the dialog name from here. No, I will not be changing it here. I will be just changing the height, which is 50. So I will be saying it should be 55, right? I will be saving it. I will be just going back to the dialog. For the admin, I will be checking whether what happened to the value. So horizontal centering, oh, that was horizontal centering, so it got changed to 55. I cannot change this value from here, it is not ideal. I can try to change the value from here. I know that I can change from this place. Let me try from there. How can I do it? It's opening, it's taking time to open the file. So you can see that I can change from here. Maybe I can change back to the 50, and if I come just above, then it will be 50. I will be able to see 50 for this node as well, right? So this is 50, right? So this way I am saying that everything whatever you can configure in the install sheet from other node, everything else can be configured from this master node. It's that I don't. So please use it carefully, and it will actually the last hope when you don't find any kind of editable field for any configuration in the install sheet installer. So that's it for today. Thanks guys for watching my video.